Well, this has been a very special episode of Yard Style Live. We have Mr. Hudson Grant, ex-soldier. He's a part of the Jamaica Ex-Soldiers Association of Jamaica. A good friend of mine's, Joslyn Grant, Roots FM days, so no worries. Yeah, man. Joslyn Hamilton. Yeah, man, thank you for being a part of this. This is a very special episode, trying to spread the word of awareness for this organization.
True.
I am honored to have this. But this is very close to my heart. I make sure I put it right in here. So now, I'm going to get a special little place where this can go.
Yes.
I'm going to wear it with pride. Yes. And when I wear this, I'm going to feel like a soldier. Yeah, man. As a matter of fact, as from today, I am a soldier.
Yes.
But I'm a soldier for this association. So anytime you have any event, you can always link me, the team, and we just want to be a part of this. Not just for just the music part, but just to spread awareness that this organization is about, and it's helping people, and the awareness, and all of the values that it is encouraging in all of the youths and the wider society. Yeah, man, so bless up.
Yes.
Thanks, sir.
Yeah, man,
Bless
respect.
you.
I'm here for salute again. Salute?
Wrong on,
No,
the
salute,
right hand.
salute. My left hand, salute. Yeah, man. All right, bless.
All right.
Bless you.
Yeah, man, cool.
Yard Style Live.